Good morning, students. Welcome to IP class. Today we will continue our topic, that is Python list. First, searching list. How can you search the index of an element in a list? Suppose you have a list named list 1 in which element are 100, 200, 50, 400, 500, Raman, 100 and Ashwin. Suppose you want to find the index of element 400, then you will write the name of the list, that is list 1 dot index, and the element is 400. Suppose we will find the index of 400, then 400 is present at which position, at which index? At 100 is present at 0, 200 is at 1, 50 is 2 and 400 is 3. So our answer is 3. When you will write print list 1 dot index 400, then it will give the answer 3. Next, if you find the element 700, index of 700, which is not present in the list, if you find an element which is not index of an element which is not present in the list, then it will gives an error. तो ये error देगा, 700 लिस्ट में है ही नहीं, तो ये क्या देगा आपको? error. It will give an error. Next is to find out whether an element is present in a list or not. हम ये देखना चाहते हैं कि ये एलिमेंट लिस्ट में प्रेजेंट है या नहीं है. सपोज we want to check whether 500 is present in the list, then we will write 500 in list 1. If it is present, then it will give answer true. If it is not present, then it will give answer false. 500 is present in the list, that's why it will give the answer true. Next is list operators. Suppose we have a list named list 1 in which 100, 200, 50, 400, 500, Raman, 100 and Ashwin are the elements in the list. And now we want to add element 80 in this list. Then we will write list 1 equal to list 1 plus 80 in the square bracket. स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट में लिखना है लिस्ट के एलिमेंट को 80 को. व्हेन यू विल प्रिंट दिस लिस्ट 1, देन 80 विल बी एडेड इन द लिस्ट 1 एट द एंड. लास्ट में 80 जो है एंड हो जाएगा. सपोज लिस्ट 2 है एक आपके पास, इन विच एलिमेंट्स आर रमन, 100 एंड अश्विन. व्हेन यू विल राइट लिस्ट 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2, देन when you will print the list 2, then element of list 2 will be printed twice. Raman 100 Ashwin, Raman 100 Ashwin. If you will write list 2 multiply by 3, then the element of the list will be printed 3 times. That means Raman 100 Ashwin, Raman 100 Ashwin, Raman 100 Ashwin. Now we will do the practical of these. First index 1 and then operators. Now we will create a list, that is list 1, in which element are 100, A, 20, 40, 60. Now we will find the index of 220. Then we will write list 1 dot index and element is 20. it will give no output. It will give an error because we will write list 1. We have written list instead of list 1. हमने लिस्ट लिख दिया था लिस्ट 1 की जगह. Now there will be no output because we will not use the print statement here. We have not used the print statement here. Now it will give the position of 20, that is 0, 1, 2, 2 answer. Here you can see 2 is the answer. If you will write print hundred in list 1, then it will give answer true. Or if we will write 200 in list 1, then it will write false. It will give an answer false. $200 is not present in the list, that's why it will give your answer false. Next, if we want to add element in the list, list 1 is equal to list 1 plus 80. And now print list 1. Then 80 will be added at the end of the 80 will be added at the end of the list. If we will write list 1 multiply by 3, then the element of the list will print 3 times 108, 20, 40, 60, 100, again 108, 20, 40, 16, again 108, 20, 40, 16. That's the end of the today session. Now we will continue in the next class list function. So now I am ending the